On the way home, I tried this little hill climb for the first time. I once saw a Toyota pickup on 37s break a drive shaft on this, so I've been hesitant to try it. But now, armed with the confidence from the rear locker and the front ATB, I figured it'd be fairly easy. The line is right up the center where the rock slab is showing, but after a couple attempts I got pushed way over to the right. I feel like I should have made it up, and after reviewing the footage I can see that my front right wheel is not moving at all. I was under the impression that this would be an ideal situation for the ATB, so to see that wheel just sitting there is pretty annoying. The front left was still on the ground, so I thought the ATB would be able to split the torque pretty evenly between the two front wheels. If I had a locker in the front, maybe I would have been able to make it up this. But I don't, so I wasn't, and I had to reverse down. Since I was so far to the right, that meant pretty much dropping off a 3-foot ledge backwards. It ended up working out, and the only damage was the dirt sample I took with the tow hitch. After that, I headed back to the main road and got to use my new air compressor to air back up. I haven't had a compressor until recently, and it's pretty awesome to be able to air up so quickly. For $125, this one from Napa is pretty great. Well, I guess that's it for now. If you've made it this far, consider doing the whole like and subscribe thing if you want. Thanks for watching.